2017 Chevy Silverado Z71, fully loaded. We did a muffler and resonator delete, 5-inch tip. As you guys can see, it sounds so much better. Again. What do you guys think? I love it. It sounds really good. No, they probably stole the secondary cats, Billy. Okay, I'll check on my system and make sure. Yeah, there's a cat on those double cats that go on the back. Yeah. Yeah, 2 in the middle, 2 in the front, and 2 in the middle. Yeah, there's a resonator and then a muffler. The one in the middle is the resonator.